this. How you doing, babe?
It's fucking crazy!
I'm gonna finish with Skógafoss, and holy, my fingers were frozen. Camera frozen. Windy, but absolutely beautiful.
Now, if you're shooting the waterfalls here, you need to be prepared to wipe your lens every second. It's crazy. It was ice. There was ice in the end. But beautiful.
Right.
Now we're eating sausage. So excited to eat this dinner. Macaroni and cheese!
Macaroni and cheese. Okay. Hi. Super excited. We're getting ready to crash, and I saw some, what I thought might have been the Aurora Borealis. I did this to Jen.
He's an expert spotter.
I'm the hunter of Aurora Borealis.
She and he have a little flirtation going on.
So I looked up the window and I was like, babe, I think that those aren't clouds. They started turning, expanding, another layer underneath. Now they look like this green, mild, but pretty awesome. Anyway.
They're growing. It's the first time we've ever seen them. If you have never seen them before and you're looking, look for a very light light. Like, it's so minimal. Don't second guess yourself and just be patient and kind of check it out. If it's clouds, whatever, they'll dissipate. If it's the lights, you'll be up for a little while. My camera's set up outside. It's doing time lapse. Bit of a time lapse. That way I get the photos that I want as well as the way it changes. And then I can come in the car and warm up while it's doing the hard work. It's our first day in the van, and
first day camping.
We got
the Aurora.
We did. Are you excited?
Pretty excited. A little excited.
You can't tell.
A little bit. Yeah. I don't want to go out there though.
You're very
I'm really excited. This is really cool. I mean, yeah, it's cool. You should try it. Yep. That's it. Okay.
Skål!
Skål. Just shot it. I feel like we got some good shots. A little too icy to go all the way behind it. The winds feel like they're like 60 miles an hour right now. Jen's doing her thing, wrapping up all her parts and pieces. Yeah, we're gonna make some coffee. Woo, woo. We are on our way to a little hidden hot springs.
Coming from the waterfall, we spent the night there last night. We're following a friend of ours to a set of hot springs. We're gonna do a little swimming. And then we're gonna spend the night back at the waterfall because we loved it so much and we have a couple extra days to play with. And then from there, we are heading to the Highlands.
We got to capture the Aurora Borealis last night.
Yes, we did.
That was amazing. Supposed to be knock on
off the hook
tonight. So hopefully
it's not cloudy.
It does what we want it to. We'll catch it again.
Peace.
Peace out. Alright, it's our second day on the road trip, and we got invited to have dinner with our Icelandic friend and family at his little cabin in the woods.
Yeah, right.
We're at our first hot spring and it is packed. So we're hiking up to an old mine. Just hanging out. We're at Skógafoss Falls, getting past sunset. There she is, doing her work. Freezing her butt off. Hi, babe.
Hi.